Let's explore the MITRE ATT&CK Framework, which serves as a more extensive alternative to the cyber kill chain methodology. At its core, this framework consists of a comprehensive matrix that encompasses various tactics and techniques utilized by security professionals, including threat hunters in both red and blue teams. The framework operates on the principle of tracking adversarial tactics and techniques throughout an attack's complete lifecycle. What sets this framework apart is its extensive database of indices that document both offensive and defensive perspectives of cyber attacks. Additionally, this knowledge base undergoes continuous curation and updates, providing organizations with a reliable, centralized source of threat intelligence. From a security and compliance perspective, the framework serves as a valuable tool for strengthening organizational security postures. In practice, it assists in identifying various attack types and defining associated risks. Security teams utilize the documented attack scenarios within this framework for their operations. This approach enables security professionals to analyze adversary motivations behind specific actions and understand their correlation with different defense classifications. Significantly, the MITRE ATT&CK framework encompasses three distinct matrices. The first matrix, ATT&CK for Enterprise, focuses on enterprise network components, including various operating systems, cloud infrastructure, networks, and containers. The second matrix specifically addresses mobile platforms, concentrating on Android and iOS environments. The third matrix is designed for industrial control systems, ICS, addressing the unique security challenges in industrial environments. To illustrate these concepts, an enterprise matrix might detail techniques for initial access through phishing, while the mobile matrix would focus on techniques specific to mobile device exploitation, and the ICS matrix would address protocols unique to industrial systems. The enterprise framework demonstrates remarkable depth, currently documenting 188 distinct attack techniques complemented by 379 subtechniques. This comprehensive approach covers the entire attack lifecycle, starting with reconnaissance activities and resource development. The framework then progresses through crucial stages, including initial access, persistence establishment, privilege escalation, and defense evasion mechanisms. Furthermore, it extends to command and control operations, data exfiltration procedures, and the ultimate impact on target systems. Moving to the mobile framework, it utilizes many of the same categories as its enterprise counterpart, with a notable distinction. It excludes reconnaissance and resource development phases. This adaptation reflects the unique characteristics of mobile environment threats. In terms of industrial control systems, ICS, the framework addresses specialized environments beyond traditional office settings, including manufacturing processes and industrial Internet of Things (IoT) implementations. While this framework shares many categories with the enterprise version, such as initial access execution, persistence, escalation, evasion, discovery, lateral movement, and command and control, it introduces two distinct categories specific to industrial environments: inhibit response function and impair process control. Significantly, the U.S. government, along with other governmental organizations, has adopted the MITRE ATT&CK framework for defense training and development purposes. This adoption demonstrates the framework's practical value in real-world security implementations. This systematic approach to understanding attack methodologies provides organizations with a structured way to analyze and prepare for potential security threats across different operational environments. The framework's comprehensive nature makes it an invaluable tool for security professionals working in various sectors.